A very warm welcome to all my lovely children and my dear friends. Well, today I'm back with a little more enthusiasm from your side that I've got from the responses of my last FunQ session. You had liked it like anything, and with your request, I'm back with the second one. So I hope you like it in the same way, and some of you have even seen the whole of it. You have commented. I'm overwhelmed for that. Please do it. Those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please do it, because I will be giving you few more reasons to have some fun apart from studies. Well, children, in the FunQ2, today I'm back with another set of guess quiz. Okay, now this will also be a visual one where I'll be showing you few pictures. All right, few pictures, and children, you have to basically tell me what are the differences between the two pictures that you are seeing. So it's nothing but nothing other than spot the difference quiz. So in this spot the difference quiz, you will be shown around 8 different photographs which are having two counterparts. You have to be very careful in finding out the major differences between the two counterparts, and you have to comment down there. All right, so I hope you are ready. So pull your socks up and let's get started. So children, the first one, all right, you can see the first slide, I guess. So the slide will be visible to you for at least 10 seconds. Quickly note down the differences, as you can see quickly, and you note down and then comment. All right, I'll tell you whether you are correct or not. Right, going to the next one. The next one is this. Please go through. All the pictures are very colorful. I just thought of bringing back into your childhood days. We hardly get time nowadays, so let's get back to our childhood days. So that was the second one. Moving to the third one. The third one is this. Again, a very simple one, but tricky. Please find out the difference, spot the difference, and comment to let me know. Moving to the next one. This is the next one. A bright sunny day, isn't it? A perfect place in a countryside. So please watch, be careful, spot the difference. Ready? Moving to the next one is this one. Just be careful, see the difference, note down, and let me know. You can do it as many times as you want, because it will be there in my channel. Those who have not subscribed yet, please do it. We are moving to the next one. This is the next one, children. Now I'm seriously going back to my childhood days where I used to be a very bad painter, but I used to have fun actually painting, and used to love coloring also. So it's a perfect that canvas. Okay, moving to the next one is this. I hope you loved reading Jungle Books, and you have already seen King Kong and Lion King. So if not, I hope Hotstar is there in your parents' phone. Please request them to show you sometime you're free. Moving to the next one is this. Moving to the next one, and the last one is this. Just check it out and please note down the difference and try to understand what are the differences, spot them, note down on a piece of paper, and comment me to let me know. and I'll be back on next day, or whenever I get all the comments. Someday I'll get back to you with the correct answer. Children, if many of you have commented and I have given a thumbs up, that means your comments are all, or your answers are all correct. Okay, in some I have also mentioned what it should be. So for those, you please review the video again and again to find out. So that was all about our Spot the Difference quiz Fun Q2. I hope you enjoy it, and surely I'll be back with something more interesting the next day. So please keep studying, keep enjoying, keep having fun, but keep safe. All right? Bye-bye, children. Take care.